Hello everyone, my name is Shami and today I'm going to talk about a particular issue that I was facing recently. So I turned on my PC yesterday and I turned on the Adobe Premiere Pro and started editing, but I realized that my input and output device is not working. I'm using Windows 11 and Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 I guess. Microphone works fine with the Windows, like everything else is working perfectly fine. And the issue was this: the audio device not working, the input device and the output device not working, right? So I checked a few YouTube like videos, and the solutions were really obvious and simple. Like go to your device manager and update your drivers and stuff, and check for the obvious reasons. Like go to your volume mixer and check if your the Adobe Premiere sound is not muted, or stuff like that. Like simple solutions here. But the thing that worked for me is I found this blog that was really helpful. I'll put that in the description down below. But this helped me a lot, and I solved my issue with this. So if you go to your edit, your preferences, your audio hardware, and come on, you can see it's solved for me. But for you in audio hardware, you'll see your mic or your headset, or maybe both. It would say like not working at all. So you can't hear anything here. You speak, it won't work. And maybe your microphone is working, but your headset is not working, or maybe your headset is working and your microphone is not working. So it depends. The obvious solution is, if you unplug your headset, your microphone would start working, or if you unplug your microphone, your headset would start working. It is because the basic reason for this, let me tell you clearly, sorry for the bad English. There is a definite possibility that you are using an external microphone, right? And if you plug out any of those, like your headset or your microphone, one of the things would start working. Maybe you just unplug your high definition mic and your headphone would start working. So the solution is, you go to the manage and update the drivers and stuff like that. But no, the thing that worked for me was just unplug your microphone and shut down your PC, completely shut it down. This happens like my window recently updated itself, so that's why this happened, right? Maybe the same cases with you. So just unplug your microphone and shut down your PC, and then plug it again precisely and start again your PC. And hopefully when you turn on your Adobe Premiere, it will be working fine. If this helps, if this helps, please like the video, and if you have a better solution, you can just comment down below. Thanks for watching.